Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix an error occurred on Chat GPT. So let's get into it. Number 1. Reload the page. The most common issue we have noticed with Chat GPT is that if you have been away from the site for some time and then return to ask a question, the page displays an error. So if you are also experiencing the same error, you can easily fix the problem by reloading the page. Number 2, restart your browser. Restarting your browser can fix most browser-related problems. It can also fix the errors occurred in ChatGPT. Restarting your browser may cause you to lose your work. Be sure to save changes before restarting your browser. Number 3, clear browsing data. If restarting the browser didn't help, you can try clearing the browser data. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. Select More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. Select the types of data you want to remove. Select a time range. Click the Clear Data button. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.